ओके, ये लिंक लिस्ट सेट 1 है आपका, ठीक है। Search an element in a linked list. I think both recursively and iteratively it should be done in a linear time. You guys are
Yes,
good
sir.
with it?
Yes, sir.
Write a function to get the nth node in links. Is also a very simple question. You have to just in O of n time you should be able to find the nth node. You can write a while loop for it, or you can also solve it iteratively. Given a linked list and a number n, write a function that returns a value at the nth node from the end of the linked list. This is also should be done in a O of n time, right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody any problem on this? No. Given a single linked list, find the middle of the linked list. For example, if the given linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then output should be 3. Now, whenever we have to find the middle element, we should always try to do the two pointer approach, which is the most efficient, because in that case, in a single iteration, you can find the middle element, right? So try to do with the two pointer approach. What I mean by that, for the slower pointer will always jump one position, and the faster pointer will always jump two position, right? So this is how we have to solve the question number 4. Question number 5, given a single linked list and a key, count the number of occurrences of a given key in the linked list. Again, this is a very simple question. You have to just
Yes, sir.
iterate through the linked list and keep a counter. So this is a linear time complexity, right? Given a linked list, check if the linked list has a loop or not. Below diagram shows the linked list with a loop. I think this question we discussed in the class itself in the detail, in which I proved you how to find the starting of the loop, what is the length of the loop is there or not. We're using a two pointer approach. So if you have any confusion, please refer the class recording. I think we have already discussed this in the class. So question 6 and the question 7 is around that. Given a single linked list of the character, write a function that returns true if the given linked list is a palindrome. Now, if the linked list is a palindrome or not, there can be two ways of doing it. One is that you reverse this, you take this list and then you create a reverse linked list and then you try to iterate both together. If you find any element which is misplaced, then that is an issue. So if you are not allowed to use an extra space, what you can do is that you can reverse this given linked list from the middle till the last element. Okay. And then you put one pointer in the beginning and you put the another pointer next to the mid and you keep on checking whether the elements are same or not. If the elements are same, then it is a palindrome, and at the end you again have to reverse back the second half of the linked list. Otherwise, you can say that okay, no, the linked list is not palindrome. Question number 9. Write a function which takes a list sorted in the non-decreasing order and delete any duplicate nodes from the list. The list should only be traversed once. ओके तो इसमें कह रहा है कि आपको लिस्ट को एक ही बार रिवर्स ट्रैवर्स करना है पर अगर कोई भी डुप्लीकेट एलिमेंट है तो आप डिलीट करना है तो इट्स आल्सो अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन इट्स जस्ट दैट यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ राइटिंग अ लूप इट शुड बी डन इन ओ ऑफ एन टाइम ठीक है try to remove duplicate function which takes a list and delete any duplicate node the list is not sorted now पहला वाला जो था वो sorted था ये दूसरा वाला जो है वो sorted नहीं है ठीक है this is the only difference between these two
पहले
so
सॉर्ट कर देंगे फिर।
इसको या तो तुम पहले सॉर्ट कर दो और फिर इसको सॉल्व करो ठीक है तो सॉर्टिंग करने के लिए n log n टाइम चाहिए होगा और अदरवाइज अगर ब्रूट फोर्स करोगे तो आपको पूरा O of n स्क्वायर Question number 11. Given a linked list and two keys in it, swap nodes for the two given keys. Nodes should be swapped by changing the links. अब ये क्या कह रहा है कि दो नोड्स का डेटा को स्वैप करना है, पर डेटा को स्वैप नहीं करना है, आपको पूरा का पूरा नोड ही चेंज करना है. So how you have to do it? Again, I think this kind of question we already discussed.
Yes.
तो ये वाला should also be done in a linear time. Given a single linked list, write a function to swap elements pairwise. I think ये भी हमने discuss किया था कि k element को swap करना हो जब वो कर लिया तो k equal to 2 हो या k equal to 3 हो या k equal to 4 हो it shouldn't matter. So this should also be happening in the linear time and recursion is the ideal way to go for it. So always try to solve these kind of problems using recursion. Things will be simpler. Question number 13. Write a function that moves the last element to the front in a given single linked list. For example, if the given linked list is and the function. Yeah, this is a very simple question again. This is very simple. Question number 14. Given two lists sorted in increasing order, create and return a new list representing the intersection of the two lists. The two lists should be made with its own memory. The original list should not be changed. Right. So this is a kind of implementation of the merge part of a merge sort. Right. The merge sort में जैसे कि आपका दो sorted array को मिला के एक sorted array बनाना होता है. Similarly here also what you need to do, you have to keep two pointers on the two linked list 1, linked list 2. और जब भी दोनों में कॉमन एलिमेंट मिले तो आपको उस एलिमेंट को एक नया लिंक लिस्ट में डाल देना. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. सो फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3 4 6 पहला लिस्ट है और 2 4 6 8 दूसरा लिस्ट है. पहला 1 और 2 दोनों कॉमन नहीं है तो आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग बट 1 इज स्मॉलर देन 2 तो 1 पहले वाले में मैं आगे बढ़ गया ठीक है. अब पहले वाले में आगे बढ़ा तो 2 आया और 2 दोनों कॉमन है तो 2 को निकाल दिया मैंने और नए लिस्ट में डाल दिया. फिर दोनों अगर कॉमन आ गया तो दोनों में मैं पढ़ूंगा तो पहले में 3 दूसरे में 4. नाउ 3 छोटा है 4 से तो मिल नहीं रहा है तो मैं पहले वाले में आगे बढ़ूंगा. I'll go to the 4. 4 and 4 is now equal so again I'll remove 4. So this is how if we iterate both of the linked lists we'll get the common intersection linked list. So this is again something can be done in the O of n time. This is a linear time complexity. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
15 number. Now in this question what you can do is you have to find what is the intersection point. One of the way can be used to use some external storage in which you first iterate the first list and then you again iterate the second list and first time when you are finding that it already exists. That is the point. That is one thing. So another way of doing is that try to, so you have two heads, right? So first try to find the length from the head one. So for example, if the head is 3, then the length will be 3 to 5. 5 is the length of the linked list. Now in the second case, when the head is 10, the length of the linked list is 3. Right? You find the difference of these two. So 5 minus 3 is 2, right? So whatever the longest list is, you first iterate 2 times. So you move from the 3 and you move to the switch. So now you are at the ninth in the largest, and now also you put one pointer in the shortest list. So it is at 10. So now one pointer is at 9 and one pointer is at 10, and move both of them together. The point at which they will meet is the point of the intersection, so which is the point 15. So this is how you can do it more efficiently without using extra space. Question 16, quick sort, बहुत ही अच्छा question है. Have you guys tried this question? So please try to solve this one. I don't want to ruin the beauty of this question.
Okay, sir.
Try to solve this question. Right. 17 number, given a linked list of integer, write a function to modify the linked list so that all the even number appear before all the odd number appear modified linked list. What you can do is that first of all, take out all the even numbers and put it into another list. Okay. And so now you will have two lists. One is of the odd and another is of the even, and then you again join these two lists. So that will make things simple. Did you get it? What I'm trying to say? Initially, you had a linked list. You iterate through the linked list, and whenever there's an odd element, you remove that and put it into the another list. As you do this, now you will have two lists. One only have the odd element, another having only even elements. Now you just merge these two, and you'll get the answer. 18 number, given a pointer to the head node of a linked list. The task is to reverse the linked list. We need to reverse the list by changing links. So reversal we have already done. It's not a problem.
Yes,
Question number 19. Given a linked list, print reverse of it using a recursive function. For example, if the given link, so recursively you have to print it. So it is again it's very simple. Question number 20. Given two linked lists sorted in increasing order, merge them in such a way that the result list in the decreasing order. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to first reverse both of the lists and then merge it. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
You have to reverse both the list. So you make 14, 50, 10, 5, and then 23, 2, and then you merge using applying the merge logic of a merge sort, okay, in the descending order. So this should give you the answer. Question number 20. Given a linked list, write a function to reverse every k node. I think this we have already discussed. Given a linked list, write a function to reverse every alternate k nodes. I think this is also similar to the other question. Given a single linked list, rearrange the list so that even odd nodes are alternate in the list. Again, what we can do is that first of all, break the original list into the two parts, right? So traverse the given original list. Whenever the even number comes, you leave it. Whenever the odd number comes, you put into another list. So at the end of the traversal, you have two lists. One is even, another one is odd. Now you pick one from the even, we pick one from the odd, and try to create a new list out of it. And that is how you can get a list with the alternate node. Job is given a single list starting from the second node, delete all the alternate nodes of it. For example, so that is also similar to the previous question only. You just have to do a manipulation. So that is also, so every question, I think most of the question has to be done in the linear time. Write a function alternating split that takes one list and divide up in nodes to make two smaller lists A and B. The list to be made from the alternating element one. So the original list is one. This is also similar to the previous question only. Question 26. Two linked lists are identical when they have the same data and element created also. Say for example, so it's just you have to both traverse both the lists and keep a check of that. Try to do it iteratively and recursively both.